You might have noticed that most of the watches in this channel are digital, but now it's time for another analog watch. Hello and welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we'll take a closer look at Casio MTP V006, one of the good-looking analog watches from Casio's Enticer MTP V series. The one I have here is the MTP V006 D 7P2 with stainless steel bracelet, a white dial and Arabic numerals. And I can tell you that the pictures of this watch on the internet don't do it justice. It looks so much better in real life. The watch is medium in size with a diameter of 38mm without the crown. The lug-to-lug length is 45.1mm and thickness 9.4mm. And for the stainless bracelet variant, it weighs 93 grams. So it will fit many wrist sizes. The water resistant rating is about 30 meters, meaning it can withstand splashes or rain, but not showers or swimming. The MTP V006 is powered by SR626SW with an estimated battery life of 2 years. The case is chrome-plated metal. I'm not sure if it's stainless steel or brass. If you have any information, please let us know in the comment section. Amazon lists it as stainless steel, but looking at their other data like lug width, diameter and so on, it may be inaccurate. Moving on, the crystal is mineral glass, so it's more scratch resistant compared to resin glass. Here's a more detailed look at the case. It has a simple round with a chrome mirror finish, smooth edges, flawless finish, and it feels sturdy. The crown is on the right side as usual. I really like the simplicity and size of the case. However, in my opinion, a brushed finish option would give it a more rugged-filled watch vibe. In this variant, the dial comes in a clean and straightforward white color with Arabic numerals as indices. The outer portion of the dial displays the hour numbers, while the inner section features a minute or second scale of 60. This combination gives the watch a dial of unique mix of a dress watch, a field watch, and a hint of flicker style. However, if you would prefer a more dress watch style, there are also alternative versions with the traditional looks of Roman numerals and minute markers on the outer ring. This watch features the standard 3 hands, hour, minute, and ticking second hand. As a side note, the ticking sound of this watch is quiet, unlike the Timex or Swatch, which give a fairly loud tick. It also includes a day and date display at the 3 o'clock position, which is a practical addition. One thing missing is the lack of lume on the dial, indices or hands. Unfortunately, there's no Indiglo type backlight either, so reading the watch in the dark might be a bit challenging. You'll have to rely on the dial and the metallic hands reflection. To adjust the watch, pulling the crown to the mid position will allow you to set the day and date, and then pulling it to the full position enables you to set the time. You may have difficulty setting the day on this watch if it is midnight. The better time to set the day is in the morning, or you can also speed up the time by advancing the time when needed. Turning up the crown will change the day, and turning down will change the date. The back cover is made of stainless steel and has a snap-off mechanism, which can be a bit inconvenient when replacing the battery. The watch lug width is a standard 20mm with spring bars. You can easily swap it out to suit your style. Here's a close-up of the bracelet. It's made of stainless steel, 20mm at the lug end, then narrows down to 18mm. It has a railroad pattern that looks very good for a budget watch. To adjust the bracelet length to fit your wrist, you may need to remove a few links. As usual, I've been wearing this watch for some time to get the feeling and real-world experience, and here are the pros and cons. On the bright side, number 1, this watch looks beautiful with its classic round shape and dial, along with an eye-catching railroad bracelet. Number 2, the size of the watch at 38mm is just right for those with medium-sized wrist. not too large and not too small. The build quality is also excellent, with smooth finishing, precise details, and clean cuts. The mineral glass used for the crystal offers better scratch resistance compared to the resin glass, and the addition of a day and date display enhances the watch functionality. However, there are also things to consider. There is no luminescent feature or glow in the dark, making it less readable in low light condition. The snap-off case back may pose some inconvenience when it comes to battery replacement. I personally would love to see Casio release a brushed finish version of this model with a nylon strap and maybe a slightly curved lock, giving it a more field watch styling. Now let's talk about some reviews that said it's lagging behind by some minutes each day. However, I haven't encountered this problem with the unit I received. It has kept the time perfectly over the past 2 weeks. Maybe the user got a faulty unit or simply an already weak battery. If you're considering the Casio MTP V series, I highly recommend taking a closer look at this model. For its budget-friendly price, you will get a fantastic analog watch with a day and date display, as well as a cool-looking bracelet. Currently, it's priced at around $35 on Amazon for the bracelet version, with the leather strap version being slightly cheaper. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews and also setting tutorials. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.